All right, let's get right into it. We're breaking down a complete workout for serious muscle growth.
If you want a clear, no-nonsense plan to get the job done, you are in the right place. This routine is super effective because it laser focuses on just 2 key muscle groups. Here's the game plan. 5 exercises for your back, then 4 killer moves for your biceps. First up, we're building a wider back. Let's start with this absolute classic for your lats. Pro tip here, keep your chest up. This really helps isolate those big wing muscles. Next, we're gonna hit the lats and traps and build some serious grip strength too. What's crucial is keeping a flat back. This protects your spine and maximizes every single pull. Okay, on to the seated cable row. This one is fantastic for back detail and posture. Make sure to keep those elbows tucked in close to really fire up your middle back. Now for an awesome exercise that targets your traps, rear delts, and the whole upper back. The secret here is to really squeeze your rear delts at the top of the movement. This simple move is key for strengthening that entire chain of muscles down your backside. See, it's not just the lower back. It powerfully hits your glutes and hamstrings too. All right, the back is done. Now let's start building those bicep peaks with a classic. Keep those elbows locked to your sides. That way your biceps are doing all the work. Now this is interesting. Our next exercise hits the arm completely differently. It's all about thickness. This hits the muscle under the bicep, which actually pushes the peak up higher. Just use that neutral hammer grip and make sure every rep is slow and controlled. Next up, we're isolating the biceps. This extra stretch is going to promote some serious growth. So just set a bench on an incline and let your arms hang all the way down. And for our finisher, we're going to hit the forearms and grip with this powerful move. Use that reverse grip on the easy bar and, you guessed it, control every single motion. So there you have it, a complete blueprint for a bigger back and stronger biceps. You've got the roadmap. Now it's time to get in the gym and get to work.